If you're just starting out as a graphic designer or digital artist, picking the right drawing tablet can be a pretty intimidating decision. From pressure sensitivity to color to overall comfort, there are a lot of variables that go into picking the best drawing tablet. And given how much time you'll be spending working at your tablet, this decision shouldn't be taken lightly. But we've got you covered. Today, we're taking a look at the top 5 best drawing tablets for beginners in 2019. We created this list using our research and personal opinions, and we ranked these drawing tablets based on a number of important variables, including quality, price, functionality, and performance. If you're interested in purchasing one of these products, please check out the description of this video or the comment that we have pinned below, where you'll find links to each product. And if you're interested in more high-quality product reviews, please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let us know in the comments section which of our picks is the best drawing tablet for beginners. Starting off with number 5, we have the XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro. With its lightweight screen, tilt response, pressure sensitivity, and battery-free pen, the XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro is arguably one of the best design tablets for beginners. It's a great drawing tablet for hobbyists or beginner artists. The XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro is a standalone drawing tablet with a 15.6-inch IPS screen drawing area that allows users to draw, paint, sketch, and also edit directly on the screen. The tablet's wide display has a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 that offers viewing angles up to 178 degrees. The device's screen produces a great color display that can be adjusted using the buttons at the side of the device. The display has an impressive range of 84% of Adobe RGB. This drawing tablet has the capacity to support Ultra HD and 4K external displays. The tablet screen is made with high-grade materials that offer improved precision while preventing dust buildup. Another awesome feature of this model is its passive pen design, which boasts of a pen pressure sensitivity of 8,192 levels. Though it requires a bit more force to be applied to get faint brushstrokes to be visible, the tablet's pressure sensitivity still gives a natural and fluid feel. In regards to connectivity, the 15.6 Pro comes with the latest USB Type-C port, and its connection cable performs the dual function of connecting for display and drawing power, so there's no need to attach it to an AC adapter. With its 8 inbuilt shortcut keys fitted at the side of the device, the artist can zoom in and out, alter brush sizes, and more. It also offers 60 degrees of tilt functionality, enabling the user to work more comfortably. This drawing tablet is medium-sized, very lightweight, portable, and easy to set up, making it great to use on the go. It's also battery-free, so there's no need to charge the device. All of these amazing features make the XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro a great travel buddy for nomadic artists. If you're looking for a functional drawing tablet for beginners, the XPPen Artist Pro 15.6 would be a great fit. However, one thing worth noting is that unlike most of the drawing tablets on this list, its pen stand cannot be attached to the tablet. That said, the display screen is good for beginner artists to paint and draw. Its pressure sensitivity is also very responsive, which gives users a great design experience overall. Definitely worth considering for those starting out with digital art. Number 4. Wacom DTH 1320K0 Cintiq Pro 13-inch. Whether you are working on a Mac or PC, Wacom's DTH 1320K0 Cintiq offers a lag-free experience. The tablet comes with 4 customizable express keys that are very easy to set up. It features multi-touch gestures that allow users to scroll, pan, zoom in and out, and also rotate their work. This drawing tablet also has radial menus that are sure to attract design lovers of all types. It also has the capacity to cover 87% of Adobe's RGB spectrum. In regards to pen display, this model Cintiq offers artists an active working screen area of 13 inches full HD display. The tablet's high resolution of 1920 by 1080 and wide viewing angle offers its users a visual treat. The carved glass screen of the device offers a very practical experience similar to the conventional pen on paper. It features 5 touch-sensitive LED-powered buttons that gives quick access to important controls. One of the most important things to note is that this model has the capacity of more than 8,000 levels of pressure. This drawing tablet comes with a mini HDMI cable that can be easily connected to a PC, desktop, or Mac for easy data transfer. The pen stand of this tablet can be adjusted to almost any angle for the maximum comfort of the user. Now on to number 3. We have the Huion Canvas GT 191 drawing tablet. Possibly one of the best features of the Huion Canvas GT 191 is its striking color clarity. This drawing tablet has a 3000:1 contrast ratio and 72% color gamut, giving it the ability to work with almost 16.7 million colors. This makes it a great buy for a beginner who is looking to experiment with a variety of designs and colors, as it embodies every hue you may want to achieve. The Huion Canvas GT 191 offers a high resolution of 5081 LPI and can hit a response rate of 233 pps. These combined features gives this drawing tablet an amazing color and image display and also a faster response time. Its 19.5-inch interactive display works in full HD and also offers 1920 by 1080 resolution with an expansive 16:9 ratio LCD screen. It also features a detachable anti-glare screen protector to protect the eyes of its users. Another amazing feature of the GT 191 model is that it comes with 2 pens that have 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, making drawing of thin sketches and thick lines easy and accurate. The pens are designed to be sleek and simple, making it user-friendly for beginners. They're also rechargeable through the small port at the bottom. The thin rounded corners of the pen are designed to ensure the user is comfortable while working with it. Combined with the fact that it comes with an adjustable pen stand and an automatic nib extraction system with 8 additional built-in spare nibs, its adjustable stand can be adjusted to multiple angles from 20 to 80 degrees to provide maximum comfort. At number 2, we have the Huion Q11K Wireless Digital Graphics Drawing Pen Painting Tablet. With a pen pressure sensitivity of 8,192 levels, the pressure level of the Huion Q11K model is almost 4 times higher than the common graphic tablet pens. For the user, this means that the higher the pressure sensitivity, the greater the accuracy of your project. Another added benefit of this pressure level is that it enables the user to draw various types of lines depending on the amount of pressure applied. This graphics drawing tablet features an anti-touch design with side switch buttons for locking the short keys in order to reduce the odds of accidental touches. The tablet also boasts of a screen resolution of 5080 LPI, which makes the images appear sharper. In addition, it features an inbuilt wireless 2.4G transmission system which covers an area of up to 10 meters. The Huion Q11K sports an active drawing area of 11 inches and 8 customizable shortcut keys to give beginner artists easy access to their favorite keys. It has a mechanical circuit designed to put the pen to sleep when placed in the pen holder. With 8 pen tips and an excellent grip, the Huion Q11K drawing pen is ergonomically designed to give the users a natural drawing experience. It comes with a 2.4 GHz wireless network support for enhanced connectivity. This unique feature makes it easier not only to draw, paint, design, and sketch, but also to pair it with other devices. The Huion Q11K drawing tablet is compatible with both the Windows and Mac operating systems. It's also compatible with standard painting apps like Illustrator, Krita, Photoshop, Manga Studio, Corel Painter, and more. This powerful tablet comes with a very strong battery that provides up to 40 hours of battery life on a single charge. All in all, the Huion Q11K is one of the best drawing tablets for beginners in 2019. But let's move on to our final pick. At number 1, we have the Wacom Intuos Pro. Coming up at number 1 on our list is the Wacom Intuos Pro. The launch of this Wacom tablet completely elevates the professional standard of graphic designing. This premium pen technology has been engineered with digital artists in mind. Wacom Intuos Pro is designed to help digital artists focus on achieving excellence and precision and create artistic designs with ease. The tablet's medium dimensions of 8.7 by 5.8 inches gives digital artists ample space to sketch, draw, edit, and also work with strokes of varying widths. This graphics tablet also has the capacity to support pen pressure sensitivity of 8,192 levels. Whether you're drawing, painting, sketching, or doing Photoshop, the Wacom Intuos Pro makes it all very easy. This model has an inbuilt Bluetooth module to enable wireless connectivity and is built with very high-grade materials. Ergonomically designed with features like tilt recognition, multi-touch gestures, lag-free tracking, and on-screen controls. You are sure to have a great design experience overall. It comes with a variety of Wacom Pro pens that gives a natural feel and offers the user a creative experience. The bottom end of the pen works like an eraser and also works without batteries, so there's no need for charging. That's not all. It features 8 customizable express keys, multi-touch technology, and pen side switches that allows easy access to all shortcuts. Overall, the Creative Pen tablet is one like no other. Truthfully, every artist and designer is different, but if you're an artist just starting out, any of these tablets would make excellent choices to jump into the world of creating digital art and designing graphics. Let us know in the comments section which of these tablets you think would make the best tool for a budding artist. And for more awesome product reviews, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that we can help you get the best for your buck.